make this in time. Bro, what the fuck? Can't even get it.
Southwest of Garner, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazard includes 60 miles per hour with gusty and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Dallas Bellman Municipal Airport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties: Cerro Gordo, Iowa. This is your weather until 7:15 p.m. At 6:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Clark's Grove, or 9 miles north of Albert Lee, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazard includes 60 miles per hour with gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Albert Lee and Clark's Grove around 6:45 p.m. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Hellandale and Hayward. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties: Freeport, Minnesota. Other locations in the path of this severe thunderstorm include Geneva and Blooming Prairie. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties: Freeport, Minnesota. A severe will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Torpedo around 7:40 p.m. Howard Lake around 7:50 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Montrose, Winstead, Lester Prairie, Watertown, and Mayer. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties: in Minnesota, Carver, McLeod, Meeker, and Wright. A severe thunderstorm watch number 488 remains in effect until midnight Friday, and now includes the following counties: in Minnesota, Dakota, Goodhue, and Washington. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe following county. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds. Weather radio checks. Severe thunderstorm. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA Weather Radio WXK41 in Rochester, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.47. Sherburne and Wright. Some cities have issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Hennepin County, north central Dakota County, southern Ramsey County until 10:30 p.m. At 9:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over St. Paul, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of east central Hennepin, north central Dakota, and southern Ramsey counties, including the following locations: Lake Phelan, Highland Park, Lauderdale, South St. Paul Airport, St. Paul Batlagrec Regional Park, North St. Paul, Lilydale, Sunfish, University of Minnesota Minneapolis campus, and Fort Snelling State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeat, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota, Dakota, Hennepin, and Ramsey. The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Chickasaw County in northeastern Iowa until 10:45 p.m.
Wait.
At 10:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located
Is this
near
from KXI 68?
southeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat.
Wait.
The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe
Yo.
will be near Fredericksburg around 10:15 p.m.
KXI 68.
Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include County Roads B54 and B56, Twin Ponds Park, Boyd, Williamstown, Highway
Nice.
18 and County B56, Highway 63 and County B33 and New Hampton Airport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Finally, our first lacrosse alert.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. for the following counties: Chickasaw, Iowa.
Okay, so this is supposed to be KJY 80.
68 on a frequency of 162.450 megahertz.
So now it looks like we lost our KJY 80 unless I go get another weather radio. Try it.
For southern Fayette County in northeastern Iowa until 11:30 p.m. At 10:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near southwest of Weston, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Include quarter-sized hail. Radar indicator. The following years are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Storm will be near Fayette and Maynard around 10:35 p.m. Arlington and Stanley around 10:50 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Highway 93 and County West 14, Donald, Highway 93,
Whoa.
County B68, Amelia, Richfield, Highway 3 and 187, and County Road West 45 and 187. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Tonight's the night.
Thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. for the following counties: Iowa. The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Winona County in southeastern Minnesota, southeastern Wabasha County in southeastern Minnesota, south central Buffalo County in west central Wisconsin, until midnight Central Daylight Time. At 11:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Plainview, or 12 miles south of Wabasha, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. The following effects are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm includes Merrick State Park, Louisville, West Elba, Conception, and Highway. Other locations impacted for your protection to an entry room or the lowest floor of a building. West Conception. Of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until midnight Friday for the following counties in Minnesota, Wabasha and Winona, and Buffalo, Wisconsin.
Wow, that fucking scared me. So the reason why like some of these radios didn't go off is because they're set to multiple channels.
The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Winona County in southeastern Minnesota until 12:30 a.m. At 11:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Rowlingstone, or 10 miles west of Winona, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-sized hail.
Whoa, it's considerable.
The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured.
And more. Plus, get contact-free curbside fixin' a cult.
This thunderstorm will be near Fountain City around 11:50 p.m. Review and Stockton around 11:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include County Road 6 and 33, Elba, Wyattsville, Wilson, Ridgeway, Utica, and Pickwick. This includes Interstate 90 in Minnesota between mile markers 237 and 276. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:30 a.m. Friday for the following county: Winona, Minnesota. This is NOAA Weather Radio W. 23 miles north of Hutchinson, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-sized hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Castle. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm is in effect until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota, Meeker and Wright. This is Weather Radio Station.
Fuck! I missed that! That's exactly why I'm...
This one includes the following counties: Freeport, Minnesota. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather is not the imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. At 5 p.m.
Oh no! They went off the air! They went off the air. They went off the air. WXK41 just went blank. Okay, WXK41 just went blank. No, they went off the air. WXK41's off the air. They went off the air. Oh, let's see if I can still get. No, I can't get KXI 68. Yeah, they went off. Fuck, they're off the air. Yeah, they went up the air. Sadly. So this is not. Some of these things are not even plugged in. Signal loss. Actually, now's the time to get the 519 to do it. I'm gonna make it say signal loss. Let me. Make sure it says turn on signal. Now we're gonna make it say signal loss. Alright. I'll cut the clip in a little bit. It's gonna say it like any minute now. Signal loss. It's going to speak. Yeah, it's off the air, sadly. Well, I guess it's the end of the event. Would you like to end the event, 519, by saying signal loss? So, yeah. Alright, so that's the end of the event. WXK41 went off the air during the event. So yeah. If you like what you see, comment, like, subscribe, and I hope you enjoy the new outro I created.